In this video, I'm going to do a comparison of Vidnami influencer videos and Clipscribe. We're going to take a look at the differences between the two and some of the options that you have while creating your influencer or social media videos, which can be used interchangeably under most circumstances. As you can see, you can create some amazing videos with Clipscribe just as well as you can with Vidnami. They both work for the same purposes of helping you create the most amazing videos that you possibly can. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And by the way, if you've been looking for a free blueprint that will give you all the tools you need to help you get started online, click the link in the description below for that also. Once you're inside of Vidnami, you have the option to go to content videos. You can use influencer videos, instant ads, sales videos, course and training videos, and property videos. But in this particular instance, I want to talk about influencer videos. If you go into your influencer videos, you'll see you have several templates to choose from. But once you pick a template that you like, you simply click on it, and then you'll get the option to preview it, and then you can decide whether or not you want to use this template or not. But before you actually use this template, one of the options you have here is to customize this template. And if you click here, what you'll see is the option to customize the top and the bottom part of the template. Here, the options that you'll get are to change the background colors, the font style, the text color, the text weight, the highlight text color, and the highlight text weight. And as you can see on the bottom, you have the same options. And the way they work is you simply click in. If you want to change colors, you just click the background color at the top here, and you can change the color. As you can see, if you look over to your right, you see the colors change as I move the little scroll bar along here. Next, you can change your font style. So in order to change your font style, just click in and pick the font style that you like. We'll say you like that one, and as you can see, the font changes. And you can change the text color. So if you wanted to change it, here are some of your options to change there. And then you can change the highlight text color. So if you wanted to change that, you just click in, and the highlighted text color, you can change it. And the text weight is simply, some of them will have an option to change the text weight depending on the font that you use. If we find a font that deals with the weight, you'll see here that you can change it from normal to bold. You just click bold, normal. In the bottom panel, you get all of the same options that you get with the top panel. And those are some of the changes that you can make inside of your Vidnami template. And then once you name this template, you can actually save it. And as you can see, the changes that you made on that template have been made here. Now, if you wanted to use the template, you would simply click Use this template. And now you can proceed to use that template to create your video. It just so happens that I've done a complete walkthrough of Vidnami, and you can see that by clicking the link above this video. Now that I've created my template, I can go back to My Custom Templates, and when I click there, you'll see the template that I actually created. Now let's say I want to use this template. So I'll just click it, and now I can use this template. So I'll use that. And I'm going to go ahead and select a file to upload. So I'll click here and I'll choose a file. So I chose a video that I want to use. So right now it's preparing the file format. So now I'll go ahead and I'll click transcribe. And once I do that, it's going to take a little while, but Vidnami is going to use that template that I created to merge with that particular video that I uploaded. And then you'll see the end result. Next, Of course, we can edit the script here and go over it to make sure it's exactly the way we want it. But in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and create the scenes. So I click here and it's going to prepare the scenes for us now. So now that's done, and I can look through each one to see if it's exactly the way I want it to be. So I can edit the text and change it if I like. So we're going to take a look and see how it looks up to this point. Now you can change the scenes to your desire however you like, but in this particular case, I'm actually using this video to create an influencer video, so I'm not going to take advantage of some of the other features that it has here. Let's go ahead and just preview the video. It's going to create the scenes for you once again, once you're happy with everything, and then you're going to get a chance to see how it actually looks and sounds. Hey everybody, it's Robert Poole here to talk about Clipscribe, the tool that helps you easily create social media marketing videos with subtitles on autopilot. You simply upload your video and in a few minutes you have your subtitles. You then have access to an editor where you can add headlines. It has different layouts for different social media platforms. Create an eye-popping headline that stops people in the feed so that they check out your videos to see what you're talking about. That was an example of an influencer video inside of Vidnami, but that's just one of the things that you can do with Vidnami. You can also create content videos, and as you can see, you have tons of templates that you can use for that, and you can use several formats. You can use all formats or landscape or square. You can use instant ads. If you look at the instant ads, those are also a whole different set of options that you have inside of Vidnami. You have the sales videos, and of course they create excellent templates for sales videos also. Then you have the course training videos. As you can see, you got plenty of options there, and then you have the property videos. So those are all the additional things that you can do with videos inside of Vidnami. Now let's go in and take a look at Clipscribe. I did a walkthrough of Clipscribe, and in order to see that, just click the link in the description above this video and you can see the walkthrough of Clipscribe. But in the meantime, here's a video that I have prepared for this particular example. If you have a video ready inside of Clipscribe, what you would do is simply click the plus sign and then continue editing. If you have videos inside, then you just click the one that you're interested in working on, and once you click it, it'll bring it up inside of the video editor. And as you can see here, you have some options. You can grab the heading and you can move it around, and you can change the size if you want just by moving the scroll bar back and forth. And then you can change the colors. If you click here, you'll see you have the option to change the color of the text. You can make it whatever color that suits you. And if you wanted to change the subheading, simply go down, and if I click on here, you'll see that I can actually change the font. I can change the size of it by clicking here and just move the scroll bar back and forth. I can make it larger or smaller. And then I'll have the option to change the colors. I can make it the same color or a different color or a darker color, whatever I like. And then I can go down to the next bar and I can do the same thing. I can change the font. I can make it larger or smaller. I can change the background color. Just click here and I can change the color of the background. And I can also click and I can change the actual background itself. I can use my own background, or I can go to the stock backgrounds and I can actually click one and it'll change that bottom panel, and I can move it around. And those are some of the options that I have inside of Clipscribe. One of the other options is I can actually include a timer. If I click here, it'll give me the option to include timers. And as you can see, I have a timer included here. And once again, just click the link in the description above to see a demonstration as to how Clipscribe works. Now, there are more features that you can actually use inside of Clipscribe, and I'll show you one. You can add more headline if you want. If you just click there, as you can see, you can add more text. You can move it over, you can move this down, and you can manipulate this text to add to your headline if you like. And if not, you just delete it here. And the next feature, you can add logos and images. If you click here, as you can see, you can add branding logos. You just click and you just upload whatever files that you need to upload to your video. So you click there, go back, and some of the other things you can do is you can add emojis. If you click here, you get a lot of choices of emojis to add. And if you want to add one, you just click it. And as you can see, it'll appear on your video and you can move it around and add it wherever you like. So those are some of the other options that you have. And of course, you can take these emojis and you can manipulate them, make them large, small, move them around wherever you want. And the only limitation you have here is your own personal imagination, of which I have none. If I wanted to do a preview just to see how this looks up to this point, you could just simply click this arrow here. Hey everybody, it's Robert Poole here to talk about Clipscribe, the tool that helps you easily create social media marketing videos with subtitles on autopilot. You simply upload your video and in a few minutes you have your subtitles. There are many more things that you can do with Clipscribe. If you look above here and click emojis again, I only showed you one tab on the emojis, but you have several options for different elements that you can add. You can add different animals and symbols, and you can just go on across and across, and lots of elements that you can use for your videos. And once again, if you're interested in a complete demo of Clipscribe, just click the link above this video. Here is your pricing for Clipscribe. You can get a starter account for $8 per month, and that's with a 1-year subscription. You can also go monthly with Clipscribe for $10 a month. So rather than do the $8 per month deal, you can just do a $10 per month trial to see if this is something that you would actually like to use. Your Clipscribe Pro is $12 per month, and your agency is $24 per month. These are your different prices. So for $8 per month, or if you want to go month to month for $10 per month, it's a great price for what you get for your money. This is your pricing inside of Vidnami. They have a monthly $47 plan, of which you can pay $3.97 for the annual plan, which will give you 30% off of that price. Right now you can get Vidnami for a Black Friday special offer price of just $29 per month. As of this video, there are over 5 days left to take advantage of that price. Click the link in the description below to get this Vidnami special at only $29 per month. You don't want to miss this one because here's some of the bonuses that they're offering with it. They're giving you free Scribnami, they're giving you the free question summary, the free video traffic blueprint pack, the free smartphone camera tips ebook, 5-minute Facebook ad formula, the free YouTube SEO cheat sheet. You also get free 21 ways to find clients ebook, the free influencer template pack, the free influencer video masterclass, and you get all of that for just $29 per month with Vidnami. This is a great time to take advantage of this special because they don't usually offer all of that when they do their specials. Take advantage of this while this offer lasts. Click the link in the description below for that. So this was a case of comparing two very good products. The only difference is that Vidnami has several options. They have content videos, influencer videos, course videos. You can do automatic captions, intelligent clip selection, no video editing necessary, and you can make it your own. You can add music for every occasion. So Vidnami does a lot for the money. On the other hand, Clipscribe does an excellent job of the one thing that it promises for you, and that's a video that would get all the attention you need on social media and other places where you would normally use an influencer video. Clipscribe will definitely solve that issue for you. For the price, Clipscribe is definitely worth it, just as I believe the same thing for Vidnami, which is definitely worth its price. It's just a matter of choosing what works for you. Clipscribe does one thing well. Vidnami does several things well, but Vidnami is normally $47 on special for $29 right now. Clipscribe is $10 or $8 if you go the yearly plan, $10 monthly. So it's just a matter of what it is that you want to do, but you can't go wrong with either one of these. While I highly recommend both of these products for you to choose for your social media marketing with video, neither one of these is a tool that will actually help you with your internet marketing needs. For that, I have an excellent blueprint that you can get free. All you have to do is click the link in the description for that. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.